to download and install Android Studio on your MacBook. So first requirement is you have to go your launchpad and type terminal, then type Java double hyphen and version. Once you press enter, then you can see unable to locate or Java, so you have to fix it this first. For that you need to download Java on your download and install Java on your Mac OS. So I will give this link in my description. Once done, just you have to install it. I am installing it, and once done press close. Now go back to the browser, and now I am downloading the download.android.com studio, this website, and bottom corner you can see the Android Studio for DMG version. So you have to download it on your MacBook. I already downloaded it. Once done, then you have to install it on your MacBook. Double press, then drag and drop with application folder, and it will be installed. And once done, then go to your launchpad, and you can see the Android Studio available here. You have to open Android Studio and press on open. Now it will first time you can allow Google collect user data for Android Studio, so I am selecting don't send, and then press on next, and you can customize it, or I am selecting the standard on, and those will be installed. Press on next. Now we have to select accept and finish. Once it will take some time. Once done, then you can see this kind of interface. Now you can customize your studio from here, and if you have already some project, then you can open by clicking this open folder, get from VCS, and if you create new folder, press on create new folder. So that's it. Thank you. Have a good day.